Whistling in the wind. Understanding a unique English expression. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, whistle in the wind. This expression has a poetic feel to it, but it's used in everyday English to convey a specific idea. Stay tuned as we dive into the meaning, usage, and origins of whistle in the wind. Whistle in the wind is an idiomatic expression used to describe an action that is ineffective, futile, or unlikely to have any influence on a particular situation. When someone is said to be whistling in the wind, they are engaging in a task that is considered pointless or without any chance of success. It evokes the image of someone literally whistling into the wind, where the sound is carried away and has no impact. Let's look at some examples to better understand how to use this phrase. 1. Arguing with him about politics is like whistling in the wind. He never changes his mind. This means that trying to argue or convince the person is pointless because it will not have any effect. 2. Protesting against the new policy felt like whistling in the wind, but we did it anyway. Here, it suggests that the protesters felt their actions might be futile, but they chose to take a stand regardless. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal interactions to broader social or political actions. The expression, whistle in the wind, likely originates from the literal act of whistling into the wind, where the sound is dispersed and lost, serving as a metaphor for efforts or words that fail to reach their intended target or to have any desired effect. While the exact origins of the phrase are unclear, it's rooted in the imagery of nature and human actions, highlighting the sometimes powerless nature of our endeavors against larger forces or circumstances. Whistle in the wind is a beautiful, evocative expression that captures the essence of futile efforts or actions in vain. It reminds us that not all actions lead to change, but it also highlights the human spirit's persistence to try, regardless of the outcome. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, whistle in the wind, more confidently in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.